Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to share a typical day of eating on a micronutrient-rich vegan diet and hopefully give you guys some ideas of healthy meals that will boost nutrition and give you lots of energy. So before I begin, I just want to say that the microvore diet and the guidelines that I share in my ebooks are simply about meeting nutrient needs in a way that's convenient and satisfying for you. So I personally consume 2 meals a day plus snacks, and that works great for me, but you can totally eat more or less depending on what works best for you. Right when I get up, I have a small cup of black coffee, followed by a cup of dandelion tea with lemon and stevia. Both of these help support my digestive system and also reduce puffiness in my face that I often wake up with. Because both of these have a water-releasing effect, I make sure to drink a bottle of water throughout the morning to rehydrate. In the morning, I also try to get out for a walk or a hike every day, which is my only form of exercise at this time. Around noon, I have my first meal of the day. I'm no longer eating just 1 meal a day, guys, because I've just found it easier to meet my nutrient needs by having 2 major meals. So midday, I'll just make a smoothie with some berries, chia seeds, hemp seeds, spinach, protein powder, rolled oats, and water. So this will keep me full and energized all day until dinner time. Sometimes I might leave out the rolled oats and make porridge with them instead to have with my smoothie. At this time, I'll also take my vitamin D and B12 supplements. Oh, and this is a t-shirt I made in high school to convey my love of the axolotl salamander. Sometimes, like today, I might have a snack around 3 or 4, and I'll have something like nuts and dried fruits. These are apple rings we actually made last summer from our very own apple tree. Around 5 or 6, I'll start making a dinner. Lately, I've been really loving sweet potato fries with broccoli and a creamy dip I make with sunflower seeds. I'll link the recipe for that down below. And this gets me a lot of nutrients and keeps me full all evening. If I do end up wanting another snack later on, it's similar to the one before dinner, just something small but satiating like nuts and fruit, or in this case some healthy-ish crackers and vegetables, and then often a cup of hot tea, and that's it for the day. Here's a look at my Chronometer, all the food I ate and the calories, the vitamins, minerals, protein, and fat. So micronutrient-rich eating with intermittent fasting in the morning has been working really well for me to feel energized and stay healthy on a vegan diet. If you'd like more info and ideas, you can hop on over to our website and check out our vegan weight loss meal plans, free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a nice day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.